Where is he? Where is he? Is he in there? Oh! Did you hear that? Where is he? Is he? Where is he? Do it. You have to do it again. Do a loud one. What? Is he losing? I think it's just because it's echoing. Where is he? Where is he? Find him. Where's Mike? Where's Mike? Where is he? Where is he? Oh my god. He sniffed you like 3 times already. He keeps going back in your mom. Is that where he's at? Oh no!
Hi, Kiki. Good boy. Good boy.
You found him. Was he in the cushions? Get him, Zeke.
Were you videotaping that?
Yeah.